In this video, we're going to take a look at the Logitech MX Palm Rest. This is designed to work really well with thinner keyboards like the Logitech MX Keys or MX Keys Advanced. And this actually comes as an add-on in the Logitech Performance Series combo. It's pretty thin, which is ideal for use with a thinner keyboard because you don't want your hands to get elevated too much because that makes bad ergonomic typing position. So I kind of have a love-hate relationship with this because it does a good job at adding just a little bit of cushion. But when you feel it, you'll notice that there's really not much cushion there. So sometimes I wish it was a little bit thicker to add a little bit more wrist relief because I almost feel like I can feel the bottom layer underneath it when my hands are resting on it. It's really important that you use it as a palm rest and not a wrist rest, because if you use it as a palm rest, then your hands will be a little bit more constrained when you're typing, and that could actually lead to more problems than just not even using one. Now, one thing I don't like about this is I wish they had a matching one that could be used with a mouse, because I have this wrist rest for my mouse and it just is a completely different color. You're never going to be able to match this Logitech color that they have perfectly. These sell for $20, which I think is a good price just to try it out, or it comes for free if you get the Logitech MX Keys Advanced combo set. So if you get it with that, then it's a really great value. For $20, it's not a bad buy. So overall, I think it's nice. It adds a little bit of cushion for your palms, but it's not crazy thick. So your mileage may vary on if you feel like it's worthwhile or not, but I think it's worth a shot because it has a really nice, sleek look and will complement your setup really well. If you're interested in checking out the MX Palm Rest, I have links in the description below. Or if you want to watch my full-length review of the Logitech MX Keys Advanced set that also includes the MX Keys and the MX Master 3S mouse, then check out my video that shows that whole setup.